What is enlightenment or Samadhi? Be blessed by the Divine. This is Krish, Murali, Eswar. Samadhi equals Samadhi. Let's understand this equation first. Sama means equal. Adi means the origin. When we become equal to the origin, the Almighty Force, we attain Samadhi. Because there are various definitions and understanding of this word Samadhi. One of the common misunderstanding that exists in the society is when somebody dies, he becomes one with the Almighty Force. Technically, this is not wrong, but death is not Samadhi. To reach a death-like state while we are still alive is the actual definition of Samadhi. Let me explain what that means. Let's take our life force. Let's ask ourselves, what is this life force all about? The life force functions within this body. Like everything else in this world, the body is made up of cells. Cells are made up of molecules. Molecules are made up of atoms. Atoms are made up of subatomic energy particles, electron, proton, neutron. There is energy particle called the Parama Anu, according to our Guru, Yogiraj Shri Vedatri Maharshi, which is the fundamental energy particle that originated first before the subatomic energy particle originated. This Parama Anu is the fundamental energy particle that powers the self-revolving energy of the energy particle called the electron, proton, neutron. Of these, neutron came the last, proton came before that, and much before that, the first energy particle that the scientists discovered and that seems to have evolved first is the electron. If you take the size of an atom, electron, proton, neutron is only 1% of the volume of the entire electron. 99% is empty space. Now, is it really empty? Is it really the vacuum that Einstein once believed it to be? Swamiji says no. This is the primordial state. This is the Adi. It is this dark fluid, the divine dark almighty force that is all-pervasive, penetrative, surrounding pressure force, which is within each and every energy particle, surrounding each and every energy particle, and therefore it envelops the entire universe. This is the Adi, this is the origin. Now, how can we reach there? Can we measure it with an instrument? Not possible. It is not possible to identify God with any sensory organs. We cannot see it, we cannot taste it, we cannot hear it, we cannot feel it, we cannot smell it, we cannot sense it with our skin, by touch, etc. So the God state, the almighty divine state, is an imperceptible, highly permeable, highly transparent, dark fluid gravity. It is this almighty divine force that has to be perceived through intuition. That means the mental frequency has to come down. Our brain normally operates in the beta frequency between 14 and 40 cycles per second. As we meditate, we go to a calm alpha frequency. Alpha is between 8 and 13 cycles per second. As we meditate even more, we go to a subtler frequency. We go to theta. Theta is between 4 and 7 cycles per second. As we meditate, even at a subtler frequency than theta, we reach delta frequency. Delta is between 1 and 3 cycles per second. At that delta frequency, we begin to identify ourselves with the almighty state. Of course, we begin to identify ourselves with the primordial energy particle first. The first transformative divine Parama Anu, we begin to identify ourselves. If you take the size of an atom, we become one with that almighty force. And that is Samadhi, that is Nirvana, that is a self-realized enlightened state. Enlightenment can happen by two ways. One, an enlightened guru, a self-realized guru, enlighten us and achieve us or helps us achieve that same state of mind. Other one is through practice, years of practice, we bring down the mental frequency and remain one with that almighty force, the divine state. And this is Samadhi enlightenment. If you have any questions, please do comment on this video. Thank you for continuing to be there and being a source of my inspiration. I will see you in the next video. Be blessed by the divine.